Using Alerts panel, a trader can configure an alert. When the bid or the ask gets more than or less than the inserted value, a trader can choose the timeout in seconds and the maximum number of alert iteration. Using built-in mail system, you can send and receive mail to any department or trader in your dealing room. Through VERTEXFX, you will be updated with any new financial news. You will get the latest updates moment by moment and from trusted sources. Using the search headlines, you can type any word or date that related to the news story you are searching for. To read full news stories, double-click on the news headline.